friends, I am recording this video after clearing my Google Cloud Certification Associate exam, and I am happy to share few tips and tricks on how to clear this certification, and especially if you are aspiring to start your career in cloud computing and if you are zero in cloud, this video would be very helpful. So the first and foremost thing what you need to know about this certification is it's a very basic foundation level certification on Google Cloud Platform. So Google Cloud Platform is a cloud platform by Google where you can deploy your application. You can use it as a storage and all these things. So in order to clear the certification, first and foremost thing you need to have the basic fundamental knowledge on cloud computing, which you can get from watching videos and reading some basic documents which is available in the internet. So once you gain that basic understanding on cloud computing, you can start either watching videos in YouTube, or you can go through courses that are available in e-learning portals like Udemy, Wixlab, and other e-learning portals. You can register for those courses and learn the basics of GCP. So learning from Udemy or Wixlab will give you the basics of GCP. You need to know in depth about each and every services that are there in the GCP console. So in order to know about in depth, you need to have a detailed study of each and every services after gaining the basic knowledge. So if you are going to gain the basic knowledge, then go for advanced knowledge of each and every services. The reason why I am saying this is in certification you will be given questions where you need to understand the concepts thoroughly. So with the basic knowledge alone, it will not be possible for you to clear the exam. So the best thing is first start with the cloud, introduction to cloud, then start with the basics of GCP and go through in detail about the services that are there in the GCP console. So once you are done with your learning, then try to take some mock test which are there in the Udemy portal. There are 5 mock tests that are available in the Udemy portal. Practice the mock test. Don't worry about your first attempt while taking those mock tests. It will be very difficult and you will not be able to get more than 70. Maximum many won't be able to get above 70 in those mock tests which are there in the Udemy. But you need to understand why this answer and what is the reason for this particular answer, why that answer doesn't suit. So after completing the mock test, you will get a result. For each and every question there will be some explanation on why that particular option and why not the other options. So you need to learn those things very clearly and make sure to understand the concept via those questions. So that is one way of learning GCP. So take all the 5 mock tests more number of times, like more than 2 times, 3 times, take those mock tests. These mock tests will help you to clear the GCP associate certification in a very good manner. But these mock tests alone will not be sufficient, because the questions will come in depth from the other concepts and from the concept. So only mock test will not be sufficient to clear the exam. You need to understand the concepts. Only then you will be able to answer some tricky questions that will come in your certification. So while answering the question, you need to be very careful. You need to follow divide and rule policy. So first you need to divide the wrong answers, like eliminate the options, and in the closest ones you need to select which is the proper one and which is Google's recommended one. So in order to identify which is Google's recommended practice, Google's recommended practice will have limited number of steps. So it will not be like too many services might not be involved in that particular Google recommended practice. Limited steps will be there. So that's one trick which you can use while during your examination. So eliminate the wrong answers and select the correct answers. In the correct answer, choose the appropriate one which has less number of steps, as well as based upon the certain criteria like cost, all these things you need to take care. So this is how you need to prepare for the GCP certification. Apart from this, one important thing is you need to have understanding on the G-Cloud commands. So G-Cloud, GSUtil, and Kubernetes commands. So if you're thorough and if you're aware about G-Cloud commands and GSUtil command that is used for cloud storage, then it would be very easy for you to answer the questions that comes using commands. So make sure to learn the commands properly. If you have the option to practice, then go ahead and practice those commands in the GCP portal itself. So in the list of services which you need to give concentration is Compute Engine, IAM, then big data services, cloud storage services. So these are the 4 major services you need to be giving importance. In compute, you need to concentrate on Kubernetes, then Compute Engine, and then cloud function, all these things. So in cloud storage, concentrate more on storage bucket and basic concepts of all the cloud storage that is available. And also you need to have awareness about the stack driver that is available in GCP. So basic level of questions will come from these services. So you need to understand how these services are interlinked to each other. Like for example, how your BigQuery and Cloud PubSub is interlinked. So interlink how these things are connected. What are the roles available in the in GCP? IAM will play a crucial role where you will see more number of questions from IAM roles and authentications, all these things. So concentrate on these services properly, have in-depth understanding on these services. If you're going to follow what are the points which I have mentioned in this video, like basics of cloud, basics of GCP, then in-depth concepts of all the GCP services, then take up the courses that are there in Udemy and other e-learning portal. Take up the mock test that is available in the Udemy portal. So, and also you can watch some amazing YouTube videos that is there in YouTube. So if you are going to follow these things, it will be very easy and you can easily clear the assessment without any tension. And while going for assessment, make sure to have your personal laptop, because your organization laptop will not support taking your examination. And make sure to have a steady Wi-Fi connection in your home. You have to take the assessment in a very calm place. Make sure to have nothing in your environment, no access to any materials. Proctoring will be very, if you are going for online proctoring will be very strict. You are not supposed to even speak or say some words while reading the answer. Should not read it aloud, and you need to make sure your table is empty. You can have only water, and you need to make sure you have a government ID card to show to that proctor. So proctor will verify everything, and proctor will ensure that everything is fine, and then you will be allowed to take the exam. So you can choose your own slot which is available, and of course make sure to join that your link for that examination will open 10 minutes before, and it will be active 30 minutes ahead. So make sure to use all these tips properly. You can join the examination 10 minutes before. Make sure to complete all the pre-checks and everything, and you can take up the examination without any tension. So and you don't worry, whatever the time you are going to take for your pre-check, everything, nothing will be calculated in your exam timing. So that is completely different. If you need anything, you can raise your hand and you can say something, so that your exam will be passed and you will be moved into support chat. So where you can say, for example, if you want to plug in your power, all these things, you can do it by raising your hand and saying it to the proctor. So it will be very easy. Make sure to follow whatever the points which I have mentioned in this video. You can also be a Google Cloud certified associate professional. Thank you so much.